A little bit of Dawn dish soap.
So look at Clem here. You guys remember this guy? 64 years old. 65 years old guy. Climbing what? How many feet? About 50, 90 feet?
No. From the ground up to here is 24.
That's a 24 feet?
Yeah, that's 24 feet.
24 feet high. And we are up the barn. Here at Clem's house. You remember this place? The guy with the 3 grid-tie inverters with the chickens and the garden, the little sauna over there, and see that? And the house is up there. Remember this project? I think 6-7 years ago. About 6-7 years ago. Boy, that guy is shooting. I hope he's not shooting this direction.
No, he's shooting that way.
So right there, you end up adding a heater?
Yeah, there's a stove in there now.
Okay, there's a stove now. Look at that. And maple trees. Hey, I'm here. Be careful. So what we did today, we used to put the panels, 4 panels in series, 4 panels in series, 4 panels for each inverter, 4 panels for each. So now what we did, we're eliminating one of the inverters. So we increased the voltage, the DC voltage, to over 3 to over 200 and some. But the panels were really dirty because he never have chance to come here. And he cleaned them. He said he put some little vinegar or something, olive, whatever, palm olive, John D also whatever. So he had them. So he trying to clean this. They're all gritty. And so we had this side now is for 1 inverter. So this, I think, is 320 or 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, about 1800, something like that. I think it's 320 or 300 for each panel. Can't remember anymore. The stick are all faded now because of the heat. So 3 and 3 over there is 1 string. Yeah, so 1 string over there and 1 string here. So this is the east side and this is the west side. So he can just flip the thing because summer is now here. So he's not grid tying anymore. He just used the power trying to burn it. The pump over there for the fish, it takes a lot of power. And he does a lot of stuff on the shop. Folks, I'm going down the ladder for how many years? Over 3 years. We've been down here. Well, look at all this grass. It looked like a hay.
Yep, it's Timothy.
Huh?
That's Timothy hay.
Timothy hay.
It was always an open field, but we turned it into a forest.
Yeah, so look at these. And he got some peaches over there. They started.
Got pears.
Pears.
Pears, cherries, currants. We've got Saskatoon, blueberries.
Saskatoon. I never heard that one. Saskatoon. It sounds like a.
That's what the Native Americans used to eat.
Oh, okay. Back in the day for Native Americans, Saskatoon. Okay,
And
sounds.
They call it serviceberry in the industry.
Yeah, so it's just like me speaking another language, Saskatoon. I think I can say it better. Clem, you got an accent on that one.
I think so.
Yeah, don't make fun of me. You have accent on that one. I can say it better, Saskatoon.
I never make fun of you, John.
See? Yeah, look at these.